Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So if you are a college student, you are currently sitting on a gold mine of free AI tools. Microsoft and LinkedIn have bundled their premium subscriptions into one massive offer. 12 months of Microsoft 365 Premium and LinkedIn Premium Career completely free for eligible students. This is a time-limited deal, so you need to act fast. So, in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about how to claim the LinkedIn and Copilot student offer. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, you have to verify your eligibility. Make sure you qualify. This offer is for eligible college and university students. You will need a valid college or university email address to verify your student status. The offer is available for US audiences. For Indian students, it's basically a 15% discount. It's a 15% discount instead of the full free offer. You can check the official website for localized offers in your region as well. Then go to the official Microsoft Student Offer page. Open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Student Offer page. You can find it through Microsoft 365 website or by searching for the Microsoft Student Offer, LinkedIn, and Copilot. Use your college email address to sign up for verification, then you can redeem both subscriptions. And that's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.